Welcome to our guide. Today, we'll walk you through deleting your Badoo account on your mobile device. First, open the Badoo app on your mobile and log in if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile settings. Scroll down to find the Settings option and tap on it to proceed. Within Settings, locate the Account section. Here you'll find the option to delete your account. Follow the prompts to confirm deletion, ensuring your account is removed permanently. Remember, once deleted, you cannot recover your account or photos. Make sure this is what you want. If you just needed a break, consider temporarily deactivating instead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to assist. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Badoo account on the go. Stay tuned for more quick tips and enjoy your time online safely.